Hi guys, it's Richard FLD here again for a second video of the Fallkniven DC4 whetstone. The last video I did, it wasn't really showing the potential of this whetstone very much because the blade I had was still a bit sharp to begin with. But as you can see here, I've got one of my kitchen knives which is absolutely blunt. It really is just it can't even cut paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen this up on this stone, and hopefully that should show you just how good this stone is. So let's get to it. First of all, I am just going to show you it really cannot cut paper. I mean, that is seriously blunt, it's useless. So here we have the stone, and let's give it a go. I'll try it like this first to see if it works like this. So hopefully that's given the blade a good profile, which it has. Now let's turn it over to the ceramic side and see if we can get this sharpened. Obviously the last blade I sharpened was carbon steel, so it's a lot easier to get an edge on that than it is stainless. I've never actually sharpened a stainless blade before, so and already it's beginning to take an edge. And okay, so a few minutes later, just finishing off the blade now. Now that blade is very, very sharp. As you can see. So, this DC4 stone is a nice little stone actually. My only gripe with it is it's a shame it doesn't come in a bigger size, as any knife bigger than this, or my Opinel, which is insanely sharp, very, very sharp. But any knife bigger than these, I think, will be a bit of a struggle to do on this. Well, not really a struggle, but it would be handy to have the extra width. But generally, for general sharpening, you can't beat it. And for the price, I'd say it's a worthy investment. That's all for now.